Hi everyone, we welcome you to the online classes presented by Sri Venkateshwara Bank Coaching Institutions, Nandyal. Today our class is on a complete syllabus analysis on English section for all competitive examinations. Okay, see here, English plays a vital role for every exam, for every competitive exam. We can expect mostly English. Okay, see for this English part, how we should prepare, what are the syllabus we must follow, is there any analysis for this, is there any thing that helps us to crack this English in a very good way, in the sense yes we have. See here, whatever the competitive examination it may be, the most important topics we expect in all the competitive examinations, in the sense there are some things, there are some topics are there, and at the same time how we have to get grip on these sections and all, we will come to know today in this class. Okay, see here, I have divided this English sectional part for all the competitive examinations into three categories. What are those, in the sense, the first one grammar, and next one vocabulary section, practice section. Okay, see here, what is the first and primary thing for us to have good command on this English section, in the sense, the first one, grammar part. What are the points that cover under this grammar? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, voice, narrations, tenses, conditional sentences, subject verb agreement, articles, degrees of comparison. Okay, these are the first and primary thing we must have command. Whenever we know all these things, again each intern will be divided into different types and different cases. Okay, when we go deep into that. So in our syllabus we have completed, we will cover all these topics. Okay, all these, if you have good idea over all these things, in the sense, then you are ready to attempt whatever the exam it may be, you are ready to attempt that, and at the same time you will score well marks, you will score the best marks for the exams what you are writing for and all those things. Okay, so in our classes we will cover all these things. Okay, this is the first and primary thing we must have. What, in the sense, firstly we must have an idea regarding English. For suppose now we are talking about English section, so what is English section and what we must cover on this English section at the same time, and how we have to prepare for that. All those things we must have the basic idea regarding that. So in our classes, all classes, we will cover all these topics. Okay, first we will discuss noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, voice, narrations. Narrations are nothing but this talks about direct and indirect speech, we call that one like narrations. And tenses, conditional sentences, here we may also get clause. Next one, subject verb agreement, in the sense the relation between the subject and verb will be told here perfectly and in better way. And articles and all, even we can have a detailed analysis of each and every topic. If each and every grammar topic, we have a detailed information in our classes. So for all those things, what you have to do, in the sense, you must be regular to our classes. First of all, download the app what we are providing you. You go to Play Store and download the Sri Venkateshwara Academy app Nandyal. From there you can download and you come to us, you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. We are providing beautiful YouTube channel. So that's why you can check with, you can be regular with all our classes. We will be updating the things, whatever the things that are going to happen regularly, We will be in touch with you regularly. At the same time, we will update whatever the competitive examination notifications. If we got anything also, we will update within no time. We will update it on time. So please be regular to our classes, and at the same time try to make, I request you to make some notes also. If you are preparing notes and all, that will be very helpful for you to revise or recall the things what you are again if you want to do in the sense. So this is a grammar part. In grammar part we cover all these things in our classes. And coming to vocabulary, vocabulary is also plays a major role in English section. What vocabulary? In the sense we must have good grip over words, the meanings and all. See synonyms, antonyms. Synonyms are nothing but meanings, the other meaning of that particular word, and antonyms also plays a major role. And one word substitution. A word should be substituted. One word substitutions, already we know that one. Idioms and phrases. What are idioms and phrases? Are nothing but sayings and all. So those comes under idioms and phrases. Commonly conferring pairs, in the sense some words will be there that we can arrange or we can suit them according to the given sentence meaning. That is commonly conferring pairs. And also phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are nothing but it's a combination of preposition and word. Put on, okay, like this, put on, put over, all this comes under phrasal verbs. So vocab section also we must make strong enough. Okay, whenever we have command on grammar part and at the same time vocab sectional part, then we are ready to practice this one. These two combination gives these things. These are the syllabus. This is the syllabus, mostly expected syllabus for all the competitive examinations in English sectional part. If you are about to attempt exam on English, in the sense these are the topics we see in examinal point of view. So what are those? In the sense class test, reading comprehension, para jumbles or sentence rearrangement, or para jumbles gives the same meaning. Phrase replacement, same. Phrases will be given. They will give for some phrases. We have to replace that one according to that meaning. Sentence improvement. If any arrangement or needed, if we have any improvement, if we must improve any type of sentences and all, then that gives this one sentence improvement. Fillers. Fillers plays a major role. Error detection. Starters. Class test, in the sense what is class test means, in class test a paragraph will be given and in the middle of that some blanks will be given. We have to, and options will be given down there. We have to read the paragraph and according to the meaning of that particular paragraph we have to fit the particular word. Options will be given there, no? So the right word should be fitted there. That is class test. And coming to reading comprehension, we know one paragraph will be given and we have to analyze that paragraph, and before that after that they will give some questions and all. We have to check out clearly, we have to understand that one thoroughly, and later on we have to answer that following questions. That is reading comprehension. Para jumbles, in the sense sentences will be given in a jumbling manner. Okay, the connectivities, we have to find out the connection for that particular sentence. What sentence should be started first and what sentence should become next, like this. That is para jumbles. We have to connect the sentences and we have to make the right first appropriate sentence first, and later on the link, like what we'll say, will connect it. We have to arrange the connectivity of that particular overall paragraph sentences. Phrase replacement, already we know that some phrases will be given, we have to replace that one. Sentence improvement also, they'll give a sentence. If we have seen, if there is any improvement needed in that sentence, in the sense below they will give some options, some sentence options and will be given there. If we need any improvement, then we have to adjust. No need, in the sense we have to say like no replacement is required. And fillers. Fillers is also like such type of topic. Sentence will be given same and blanks will be given, we have to fill. Clause test and fillers are very close to each other, but here clause test, in the sense here we get paragraph, but for fillers we get sentences. Okay, that's the difference for those two. And next, error detections. Some sentences will be given to you and we have to find out the errors in that particular sentence. That is error detections. And starters. Starters, this is the most recent topic we are expecting in competitive examinations. In the sense, they will give a sentence and they will give some options, whether it has to start with, like we have to find out the sentence beginning point. We have to find out where the sentence is about to start and what the sentences have to say, what type of sentences will fit, will give the complete meaning of the sentence that we have to say. We have to find out the starters of the sentences. Okay, this is the very recent topic asking from like banking and insurance examinations. We may guess this one also. So apart from that, these are all the topics we expect in English part, in English section. So for all the competitive examinations, to get a good command over this means we must have command on these two: grammar, vocabulary, practice section. So first of all, in our classes we will discuss about grammar, all those things. From the basics we are moving on. Okay, what even the person who don't even know about what is what, no, even they can also easily understand when if they see our classes. And you should be regular. I told you, no, regularity is the must and should case. If you are irregular, then you cannot understand the things. So please be regular. If you are regular, no, all these things we will cover one by one in our coming classes. Okay, this is the entire grammar part. This each and every part is explained, will be explained in detail in our classes that we are providing on Sri Venkateshwara Nandyal Academy app. So you please download that app and please subscribe to us. Even not only that one, we are also giving we are also providing you some mock test, practice tests, online test series. Even all these are also provided here in our app, in our channel. You come, join us and please subscribe to our channel and read all the things, work regularly with us, whatever we are telling here. Please be thorough with the classes and all. You try to practice well. Then if you do all this, no, surely you will achieve, you will be placed at a good job, whatever you are dreamt of. So please be regular to the classes. Once again I am telling you, and please note the topics. These are the topics we are about to discuss in our classes. So this is about English section part for all the competitive examinations. Whatever the examination it may be, whether it may be bank, whether it may be SSC or else some other competitive exam like CAT, some more competitive examinations we have. Even for all those things also, this is the only syllabus they ask for. Apart from this syllabus, they can't go beyond. So please be thorough, please be regular. Again I am telling, please be thorough and regular for these topics, for all these topics. If you have good command, no, then you are damn good ready for the good scorer, to get a good scoring in English sectional part. See, one more thing, I would also like to tell you, to improve all those things, what the things we must have to do regular, in the sense reading newspaper is necessary. Reading newspaper, this helps us a lot, in the sense whenever we read a daily, in the sense here we can expect some new words. We can also check the grammatical sentences, if what they are, the sentence is talking about. Grammar, we can get the grammar part, we can also get the vocab section, and in turn this will in turn helps us to crack all those things again. Okay, if you people spend your time daily on grammar, like 1/2 hour, vocabulary 1/2 hour, and 1 hour, or else you according to your own preference. Okay, one, if you are able to spend your day 1.5 hour for grammar, 1.5 hour for vocabulary, and remaining half an hour, or according to your time you can spend. In a day, if you spend 3 hours on English, okay, if you are willingly and thoroughly and with full interest, if you do this now, if you practice this now, then it will be very easy for you to crack the things whatever it may be. So you try to give your time to learn the things for English also. So if you do like this, the time if you give like this means it will be very helpful for you to learn more, to know the things well, and at the same time to get command on English section. Okay, this is about the topics we are about. This is the overall analysis on English section for all the competitive examination. These are the topics we expect more, and mostly apart from this the examiner cannot go beyond these topics and all. So please be thorough, and we will also discuss all these topics one by one in our coming classes. So make a note of all those things, and please subscribe to our channel once again, and please also download our app, Sri Venkateshwara Nandyal Academy app from Play Store, and you make the things and try to learn the things what we are provided here. So make note of all this, and come and be regular to the classes what we are telling.